It's not my, like, come get me wig. It's my, hey, you want to have a play date wig? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing DAVITA from Outre. I lost the stock card, so this is a picture here. This wig is really simple, guys. You basically just cut the lace and that's pretty much it. I don't know why I act like I can see these laces, y'all. I had to cut it off my head. Yeah, so I just cut the lace. I added a little bit of tint spray just to kind of match the lace up a little bit because that lace was really white. But just put makeup or tint spray and that's basically it. I didn't glue down this unit at all, but I did go in with a little bit of freeze spray in that parting space. I feel like it kind of helps hold the wig down a little bit more. I also did add a little bit of powder just to kind of make that part look a little bit more natural, and boom, that's it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Guys, today I am reviewing this DAVITA wig. I had her sitting on my stand over there for a while because I said, I don't know. She kind of looked like a wig that I reviewed before. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about her. It's about $30 depending on the website that you choose to purchase her. And I think I wore the wrong shirt. I don't think you guys can see, but I was about to review another wig and I said, let me go ahead and take her off the mannequin and get this over with because I need a work wig. And that's exactly what she's giving me. She's giving me that whole, like, you know, she's cute, but, you know, she kind of looked like work wig, nice mom wig, you know. It's nothing too special, but I do like the flow of this wig. I like the fact that it has these curls. It looks like I did this. It looks like I went to the salon, I got a blowout, and boom, here we are. The simple roller set, wrap your hair up, girl, and you look good. That's exactly what this wig is giving me, those kind of vibes. So I did go in with my hot comb right here. Me and filler hairs just don't get along. I know Outre does it with these eye part wigs sometimes, but I'm not for that. I don't like it. I think it looks really wiggy, but I feel like flattening it makes it look a little bit more natural. I was trying to tweeze her. I don't know why. Okay, because this is too dense, girl. Don't do all that. Don't do that. Don't tweeze her. Don't do nothing. Put her on your head and go, girl. Put some powder in the parting space and call it a day. And you're gonna look like you came out the salon. That's it. The cap feels good. She's coming down to my sides. Over here she's coming down. She's okay. She works. She's not my fave, but she's cute. She's alright. She alright. I thought I wouldn't like it, but it's cute. It works. It's not my, like, come get me wig. It's my, hey, you want to have a play date wig? That's what this wig is. That's my opinion. It's cute, but it's just not my fave. It's not. But I'm definitely wearing her to work, so I'm glad I reviewed her this week so I could bust her out and wear her to work. She reminds me of a wig I reviewed last year on my channel. It was like a work wig edition video. It reminds me of the Free Trust natural set wig. That's exactly what this reminds me of, but you know what? It's not Free Trust, it's Outre. So it's cute, you know, it gets the job done. The texture feels good. It is synthetic, so she probably will start to fray up on you a little bit. But she's good, and I'm really sorry for wearing this black shirt, y'all, but you might have seen it or will see it in a video because I'm filming her for a lighter color wig. Like I said, I just wanted to get on here real quick and tell y'all about the wig. She's cute. She gets the job done. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig, and until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.